Hi everyone, it's Doris at DF Designs. I'm not in my studio again today. I came over to another artist studio. Everybody knows I like coming over here to Joe Patty's house. Her channel is Fearless Me TV, Art and Entertainment, I think it is. Anyway, I'm just going to real quick, she taught me something and I'm going to real quick show you how you do it. Okay. This is, wait a minute, let me put the cap back on before I spill it. This is 91% alcohol, the cheap stuff from Walmart. I don't think there's a difference. Okay, and I'm going to do 6 ounces to put into a bottle. Okay, I'm going to make my own blending solution, because she showed me how to do it, and she's got a big bottle of this stuff here, and I'll show you that in a minute as soon as I get this up to 6 ounces, which it's taking forever, so I might speed this part up. Okay, I got 6 ounces in here. It's up, you guys can't probably read it. Anyway, I do know this is the pure vegetable glycerin that she uses. Now in another video, I'm going to test this blending solution against my blending solution where I put the, antifreeze, but I use the concentrate. I don't think I have to shake this up first.
No, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I got 6 ounces in there. So now I need to put 18 drops in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let me put the rest back in there. And let me put the lid back on this before I spill it. Let me see if I can find, oh, there they are. Let me get a stick, and all I'm going to do is mix it. I can't remember if I have to mix it fast or slow.
No,
okay.
You're just blending it. Blending solution, you're just blending it together.
Okay. Okay. Let me put this over here. Now I'm going to put it in the bottle. And that's basically it. Now I'm putting it in this big bottle, but I'm going to put some in a smaller bottle so I can use it with some alcohol. Because I'm going to do a video now, after this one, of we're going to be doing some alcohol tiles. So anyway, I hope you learned something. Thank y'all for watching. I love the fluid arts right out of you. And all I can say is, bye for now.